Alright, we're all here in the kitchen. Even Addie for Farmhouse flip.
And Izzy.
Kitchen remodel. And Izzy. Cookie Monster. And we're going to show you how this happened. And we came from you. From this greatness to that. Alright, Ed.
Alright, Addie. Our first step we did was we used the deglosser. With this, we scrubbed the cabinets with that. We wiped them off with a clean towel. And then we started doing coats of the Bond paint. About 2 to 3 coats on the cabinets. Once those are completely dry, then we moved on to the glaze coat, which is this brown color. We brushed that on, and it looks like that now. Once you brush it on, and you take this cloth and wipe off as much as you want or as little as you want. And then after
wipe off a lot on those?
Yes. And then after that, we put on the top coat, which is a clear coat to protect the finish. Yeah. I think that's about it to it. It's pretty easy.
Is that the...
And the actual kit is...
And you just do one coat of the clear coat?
Is this kit. We paid $88 at Menards for it.
Yeah, we saved big money.
Very good, and it's very quick. And that's it.
Wait, no, we're not done. And then, Porter,
Bump up against it.
go show them what the hinges looked like.
Here.
So,
That's wet.
not touched. Show them what the front of it looks like. So yeah, those sweet things. We took a brush on a drill and cleaned them, and Porter spray painted them with. This is the only spray paint we had.
High heat spray paint.
The heat spray paint, and look at how cool they turned out. Yeah, buddy. Well, and then Addie, actually, subscribe this video, and we'll show you when we get all the cabinets done. But we did knock out a wall. We knocked out a wall here. It had that sweet wallpaper behind it. There was like 2 walls here, and it had tile going up
Halfway.
Not halfway. Porter tore all that off. We filled all the holes. We measured it. We got 3 unfinished cabinets because we needed more storage. Now I'm in the process of making these farmhouse cabinets, and I'll show you on a time lapse on how we're going to do that. And we're going to shiplap this wall. The ceiling's done. We just need to trim it. Ceiling fan done, kinda. A little bit of electrical to do there. What else we got left in here? So, and then we'll do. I will show you how we did our countertops, sink. We got a farmhouse sink, and the coolest faucet ever. We got a bunch of videos coming for the kitchen. I know everybody's been asking me, and we got a porcelain floor to do. I think that's about it. Not a big deal, you know. So we'll see you through the process.